to school too.
This is a top 10. So when you collect this result, take it to your parents. Precious, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are still owing on school fees. There is no result for you. Did you hear me? Oh yeah, we're going home. Junior Okoro.
Yes, sir.
Junior Okoro. Okay. See this result. Take it straight to your parents. JENIFA, favor.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
School too. Naja we day. Welcome to school.
Hello. Yeah. Two of you. Take it to your parents. You take it. You should be going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, please. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Why are you looking like this? What happened?
Papa, I don't know what I got in my result, so I came to show you.
What's you? Peace. Out of 20, you took 7. And then, what? Do you know how much I have been spending on your school fee?
Papa,
So out of 20, you came out. It's not you.
Papa, it's not
Why now, please? Why do you want to bring this place? You that comes first, please.
Papa, it's not
Come on, see now. Mathematics, 6 over 100. English, 6 over, if you see RK, you as a Christian, 1 over 100. Why now? Why do you want to disgrace me? Come. Please come. This is not your result now. This is Jennifer's result. Who gave it to you?
It's not my headmaster.
Your headmaster, that tall man.
It's short.
Short,
Yes.
very short-sighted. So he gave you this thing.
Yes.
Do you know Jennifer's house?
I know Jennifer.
It's not for your daughter. That's my daughter's result.
What? Jesus!
Come close.
That is peace. I told you.
It's your daughter that is peace. I'm not
Peace. The headmaster made mistake.
Oh, you made a mistake. This is your result now.
How can my daughter come out 7 to the class?
Hey, you got 7 out of 20.
Eh?
I'm so happy.
7 to they are happy. I trust my daughter. My daughter, I know how much I've spent on her. And but you, peace. 19 out of 20.
What? Jesus!
And then you told me you will not be the
Only you can do. Hey, what someone can do.
Mama,
Your reading was like, my school fees.
Mama, Jennifer, can we exchange the result back? I will manage the 7 positions.
Only you can.
This is what
You look like your mother.
This is not you.
What someone
Only you can disgrace me. Only you can. Who open disgrace?
No, ma.
Hey, you see, read your books, you know you will play 10.
My dear.
You see what is going on?
Oh, you can go inside my daughter.
Please.
School too.